Hello everyone, how are you doing? Guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to get this beading pattern. It's called Spiral Beading Pattern. So without taking your time, let's move straight to the tutorial. So if you watch this video, you'll notice that I've already done this beading pattern. Okay, you can see this particular design. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch this video. It will give you guide on how to achieve it. So for this particular design here, you can see it. Also watch this beading pattern. Is going to give you a guide on how to achieve it. So for this particular tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to get the spiral beading pattern, which you can use to bead on your turban or your clothes. So I've already inserted my needle on my thread. You can use fishing line here, and this is my size 9 needle. I've already inserted my thread. Okay, all right, so this is the crystal bead. This is crystal bead, so you can use any color of your choice. This is size 6 crystal bead, size 6. So this is sand bead or seed bead, size 2 sand or seed bead. So the first step you'll be taking is to pick 11 beads. I first of all picked 9. If you count this, you know it's 9. So after picking 9 sand beads, I completed it with 2 sand beads, so making it 11. 9 plus 2 is 11. So please, if you want yours to be longer than this, it's still allowed. If you want it to be shorter, you can reduce it like to 9 pieces. But here I'm working with 11 pieces of sand bead or seed bead. So go to the center of this bead and take it backwards. You can see what I just did. All right, so next thing I'll be doing again is just to adjust it. You understand? Just adjust it to make sure it's firm. And I'm picking 4 sand beads. 4 sand beads. And I'll pick 1 crystal bead, just 1. Then I'll also pick another 4 sand beads. I don't know if you understand me. I first of all picked 4 sand bead, 1 crystal, and 4 sand bead. You can see the way it is. So I'll drag it down again. So next thing I'll be doing is to take my needle down. Please, while taking it down, make sure you take it to where the bead stops. You can see the way I'm holding the bead to make sure that I put my needle down to that point where it stopped. You can see what I just did. So I'll be taking it backwards. Just watch the way I'll bring out the needle. I'll bring it out in front of this bead here. You can see it. Just take it backwards and drag. So this is the outcome. So I'll be taking this process again, so you see what I just did. You pick again 11 sand beads, just that first step you took. If you're working with 9 beads, maintain 9. But me, I'm working with 11 beads. So I pick the first 11 sand beads. I'll take it down again. Make sure you place your needle rightly where the bead stopped before dragging it backwards. So I'll be taking the needle backwards and it will come out in front of this bead here. You can see what I'm doing. So just take it backwards like this and drag it out. So this is what you will get. You can see how it is. So you take the second process, which is 4 sand bead, 1 crystal, 4 sand bead. I don't know if you can see it. 4 sand bead, 1 crystal bead, 4 sand bead. So you take it and place it in front at that point where it stopped. So you'll be inserting your needle there and take it backwards in front of this particular bead here, and that is it. So I don't know, I hope this process is not confusing. So this is what you'll continue to do. And don't forget, doing my beading on the line there. It's not a must you draw your line. You can just use your eyes and draw an invisible line. But I'm just drawing this line for beginners so they won't get confused. It's not a must you draw a line. You can just bead on an invisible line. And this is the outcome. You can see how it's neatly done. So this particular design is what they did on this particular turban here. If you watch closely on the first plate, you will see that that's designed there. So for this particular one, there's no crystal bead. Okay, so how do you achieve this design? It is the same process. What you just did is pick your first 11 beads. You understand? After picking your first 11 bead, ignore the crystal bead you are seeing here. So after picking your first 11 bead, you insert it. Then instead of picking crystal bead again, what you will now do is to pick the 11 sand beads again, so no need putting your crystal bead. Then follow same process and you will get the design there. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.